Is your favorite Big Lots store about to shut its doors for good? Stay with us as we uncover the reasons behind these closures, what it means for shoppers, and how it could impact your local community. Welcome to InvestVision Hub. Today, we're diving into a story that's making headlines across the retail world, the closure of Big Lots stores. If you've ever shopped for bargains or unique finds at Big Lots, this news might come as a shock. But why are these closures happening, and how does it impact both the company and loyal customers like you? Let's break it all down. The current situation. Big Lots, a popular discount retail chain, is closing multiple stores across the country. While the company hasn't shared a complete list of affected locations yet, closures have been confirmed in several major cities, leaving many wondering why. Big Lots has been known for its affordable prices on everything from furniture and home decor to groceries and seasonal items. But even this beloved chain isn't immune to the challenges facing the retail industry. Why are Big Lots stores closing? There are three major reasons behind these closures. Economic pressures. With rising inflation, more people are cutting back on non-essential spending, which has significantly impacted Big Lots' revenue. Changing shopping habits. The shift toward online shopping has made it harder for brick-and-mortar stores like Big Lots to compete. Companies like Amazon and Walmart have taken a big bite out of their market share. Poor performance in certain locations. Big Lots has struggled in some regions where sales didn't meet expectations. These closures are part of their strategy to cut losses and focus on profitable areas. It's a tough situation for both the company and the communities they serve. What this means for shoppers. If your local Big Lots is closing, you might be wondering what this means for you. Here's what to keep in mind. Liquidation sales. These closures often come with huge discounts, so it's a great opportunity to grab bargains on furniture, home goods, and more. Limited options. If Big Lots was your go-to store, you may need to find alternatives, like Dollar General or online retailers. Community impact. For many towns, losing a Big Lots store means fewer local shopping options and even job losses for employees. But don't worry, some Big Lots locations are staying open and even introducing new initiatives to adapt to changing times. Is there hope for Big Lots? Despite these closures, Big Lots is working on strategies to bounce back. They're focusing on revamping their online shopping experience and improving inventory management to cater to changing consumer needs. With strong competition, the company is determined to stay relevant in today's fast-paced retail landscape. So, while it's sad to see some Big Lots stores closing, it's a reflection of the broader changes happening in retail today. If you've been impacted by these closures, share your thoughts in the comments below. What will you miss most about Big Lots? And where will you shop now? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to InvestVision Hub, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest business news that impacts your daily life. Until next time, happy shopping and stay informed.